Okay, guys, well, we're gonna prank my sister by using this blow dryer. We put baby powder in it, and we're just gonna prank her. She's in the shower, so my mom's gonna tell her to blow dry her hair after she's out of the shower. And yeah, it's just a bunch of baby powder's gonna come out. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we put baby powder in there. Hopefully, it didn't fall out the back, cause yeah. Well, and I'm gonna be sitting here acting like I'm using my business, and my mom's just gonna tell her to blow dry her hair, and she's gonna blow dry her hair, and a bunch of baby powder's gonna come out. Let's see how this prank goes, guys. Let's get it, cuz. The water's not on, so she's probably almost done. Let's get it. Let's get ready. Let's go. Gotta wait until that door right there opens. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. That door right there. The door. And when it opens, guys, that's when we get into our prop. And yeah, let's get it. So I'm gonna just be waiting, you know. She's acting like I'm using my business and stuff, you know. And then when she comes out, and then let's get it, coach. Okay, so like I don't know how to do this. I don't know if I should stay in my room or let's hope she doesn't flip out and get all mad and start hating me or something, because I'm not gonna hit my own sister back, you know. My brother just left in the store. Damn it. Okay, let's get it. Are y'all almost done? Okay. Hurry up. She's not almost done. She's almost done. This is done. I'm so stupid, guys. Well, let's just wait here. Yep. Alright, well, I'm going to pause the video right now. And when she comes out, I'm going to just play it again. Or, no. Or just keep it rolling. So she said she comes out. So, yeah. What is she? What? You can't see her. She's right there. She's black. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know what she's watching. Weirdo. Watching whatever. Well, guys, remember, if you want more vids like this, like and subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want more ding dong ditch videos, prank videos, taste test videos, any videos. Okay? If you want whatever videos, just like and subscribe and leave a comment, whatever you want, okay? And let's see if we could hit 100 likes this video or more. Let's see. Alright, let's go. She's still in the restroom though, guys. She's in there. But yeah, my sister is gonna flip out. Oh, no. Nothing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. She almost caught me. Oh my gosh. She has a shower. She's all, what are you doing? So, nothing. Oh, okay. So, yeah, okay. Oh my god. We nearly got caught there, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm just sitting in the restroom, basically doing nothing. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. Probably just wait a little bit. Okay. Later. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yes, my sister's almost out of the shower. She's already out of the shower. She's just waiting, and I'm waiting on my mom to tell her to blow dry her hair, so she could blow dry her hair and then, you know, just get her hair, boop, baby powder. So let's get it, guys. Hold up, I'll be right back, guys. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Well, she's almost out of the shower. She's like drying her hair and everything, but you know, my mom still can tell her to blow dry her hair out, so it's quicker and a bunch of other girl reasons. Yeah. She's just gonna make something up, tell her that to blow dry her hair, and then she's gonna blow dry her hair, and it's gonna get full of baby powder. But my mom said not to mention her because, like, not mention her, you know. Not during the bus and stuff. Well, she's almost out. Let me go check on her. Let me go check how long. Oh, she's already getting ready. She came. She just came. There she is. Okay, guys. Let's get her. I think I messed this up, guys. She's later talking about me, so I don't know. Hopefully, she just comes and acts normal. My brother just came back. I don't know why.
Mom, why is my door open?
Guys, I don't know. I don't know about this, guys. I'm just gonna try to play it as normal as possible. Hopefully she comes in here quick, because yeah. Let's see. So she needs to come in. They're right there, and the butcher is right there, guys. Not like right there behind the mirror. Not behind it, but you know, back here. Bro, she's not coming no more. I swear.
Why'd you want me to hurry?
Because I was gonna shower. And my guard's gonna shower in here. So we both shower before Dad comes.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice sweet.
I got him.